Hello, Anthony here. So, you know you're onto a good thing when someone starts copying the system that you're in, don't you reckon? So, obviously, we've had a member they were a part of our group, which is all good. I'm not going to mention any names because it's irrelevant, it doesn't even matter, but they decided to copy our system pretty much word for word, and that's fine. But this leads me into my topic today. So it's the four different types of customers. Now, you got your cheap customer, so they're always buying based on price and they're always looking for discounts, okay? And then you got the difficult customer, so usually a negative person, and they're usually finding a reason to complain. Now, it could be any reason to complain, okay? Now, obviously you have the sophisticated, so these are the educated people, and they usually know what they're buying, and they know exactly what they want and when they want it, all right? And then you have the affluent. So you're buying, they're people that are buying based on feelings, or they've got the money, so, I can afford it, I'm getting it, okay? Now, the problem is now that someone's copied our system, and I'm going to say our system because I actually feel cheated that, I'm not really cheated, but, they're pretty much cheapening a unique concept, and it is a unique concept. We are the first out with what we do, and pretty much what they've done, they've pretty much cheapened the price by a third of the price. Okay, now that's all good, but there's an issue with that. When you start cheapening the price of a unique concept, you're attracting these types of people, and that's all good, because if that's what they want, that's what they're going to get. Okay, where our business, our group, there's 300 to 400 people, 350 to 400 people in there. You can tell they're pretty much on this side because they've put in the money to learn a new skill set. And even though I wouldn't even say it's pricey. It's not even near pricey. The course alone, the education suites alone, both of them could be well over 5,000 easy, and they'd still sell no matter what. And they still sell now. You still get customers every day. But what I'm trying to say is, why would you try and cheapen a unique concept? Okay. Now, the only thing I can think of is pure greed. Okay. That's all. I don't know if you agree with me or not, but that's how I'm seeing it. And at the moment, I mean, we'd rather quality over quantity. And it used to be. It's pretty funny because it used to be our trademark for when I was a tradie. That was our trademark: quality over quantity. So that's that's how I see it anyway. We'd rather more sophisticated and affluent buyers, where when you start cheapening a product, for pure greed, you're attracting then the cheap and the difficult clients. Okay, now if you agree with me or not, that's two different things. That's just my opinion, and the way I'm going to leave it today is the original is always better than the sequel. Bye for now.